Hello students, our today's question is the major product formed in the following reaction is. So this is our given reaction. First we have to take starting material this and CF3COOH trifluoroacetic acid. So we have H plus from this acid and this carbonyl carbon oxygen have lone pair, so this lone pair is attack on this H plus and we get OH plus. Here this plus charge is not stable on the O, so this pi bonds stable this positive charge and this tertiary butyl group is leave, so we get here this COOH plus as a byproduct we have tertiary carb cation, so our correct answer is D.